The auto body program here at CTE Academy is a full-fledged body shop, fully productive body shop. Our students work usually every day on projects that you would see in an actual shop. So anywhere from painting, rust repair, dent repair. Our students are doing that stuff on a daily basis. When you get out into industry, being productive and being efficient is a big advantage, and so the more practice our students can get when they're here makes them more employable.
I'm taking auto body structural repair. We kind of learn about the more metal side of it, making everything line up, all the stuff, making all the panels smooth.
We basically learn how to fix different parts of a body with different tools, right? We learn how to paint here as well.
Our students, they have all sorts of interests. They want to be painters, they want to be body techs. A student just talked to me today about being a paintless dent repair technician. So our students have kind of different goals, and some of them are hoping to go on to college, some are going just straight into the workforce, and we can help accommodate both of those. Our students get jobs in body shops while they're in high school or after high school, but then also just getting matched up with post-secondary schooling so they can continue their education is a big priority of ours. Southeast Tech, right up the street, they have 100% placement for many years. I get calls very often for employees, for students to go work in the industry, and so it's constant. People are needing help 24/7.
It's all in person, in shop, with your hands, actually doing things, and that's probably what gets a lot of the people to come here and keep coming here, is because you get to actually do things, and people that learn by doing things will have a really good time in these classes.
You should take the course because you will learn a lot more new stuff over here than you will learn at home school. Everyone over here is so fun and friendly. The teachers are also fun and friendly. They know how to teach you well, and it's an experience, the experience is way better than the one over there at school too. So.
Well, I really didn't know what I wanted to do. I was thinking about just going out of high school and going full-time Army and figuring it out thereafter. But the teachers here, both of the automotive teachers and the classes that they teach, have basically kind of guided me in that path and given me something that I can really enjoy what I'm doing for a long time.